going to show you exactly how to get huge fruits like this gigantic coconut I'm holding. The truth is, even though it's mostly luck, there is a lot of things that you guys can do to increase your chances of getting huge fruits. Like, I literally have 2 of these gigantic coconuts, and I'm going to be going over every single one of those methods from easiest to hardest and from worst to best. We're going to get right into it. Let's start now. Let's go. So first things first, your chances of getting these huge fruit actually start before you even plant the tree. As you guys can see, I have some decently big coconut trees, but they get a lot bigger than this. And the bigger coconut tree is, or whatever fruit it is that you're trying to grow big, the bigger the fruit tree is, the bigger the chance of you getting big fruits. And you may be wondering, well, it's just luck, right? It's just luck to get the big coconut trees. No, it's not 100% luck. Okay, a lot of it is actually attributed to you using certain sprinklers. As you guys can see, advanced sprinklers is probably the worst one you can get because as you guys can see, all of them increase your mutation chances. But if you guys start getting up to these godly sprinklers and these master sprinklers, your chances of growing a really big tree grow exponentially. Like, exponentially. It's crazy. So I'm telling you guys right now, I don't care what fruit you're trying to get, have the seeds. And before you even plant the seed, make sure to do this before you plant the seeds. Place the sprinkler, whatever you're trying to get, whatever the best sprinklers you have, and then place all the seeds. And the chance of that seed being bigger is a lot higher, the better the sprinkler, okay? But that is truly just the beginning, because even if you have the biggest tree in the world, it doesn't mean that your sprinklers are also useful. Even when, like, let's say I were to empty out this tree right now, what I would do after emptying out this tree is once again get a sprinkler, like a master sprinkler or a godly sprinkler. Both of these are really good, and yeah, I have a ton of these. And as they're growing, put down the sprinklers and just harvest as much as possible. And if you actually put multiple sprinklers, it increases your chances. So even if you can't get a master sprinkler, get yourself like, I don't know, 5 godly sprinklers and just stack them, and you just have a huge chance of not only getting a large fruit, but also getting really cool mutations like gold as well as rainbow and things like that. And as you guys can see, first of all, this is just luck, but I just got a rainbow tomato. Not only can you get big ones, but if you get a big one, that's also either rainbow or gold, the amount of money that you can get from a fruit like that is crazy. But you may think, no, there's probably no more methods, right? No, there's a lot more methods. Not only is there trading there, but I think there's like 3 more methods we have to go into. Method number 1 is honestly a little bit messed up, but let's say you find someone with a really huge tree. Like if you're trying to get a cactus like this, I'm not going to lie, I have no idea how you would get up there. But if you have 37 Robux lying around, you can climb up. Or even if he had a big coconut or whatever fruit I wanted, if I found a big fruit, I can literally just steal it. Someone just stole from me. Yo, right, as I said, steal. Someone just stole from me. What the freak? Okay, anyways. It is kind of messed up. And see, now I'm kind of feeling my own medicine. Basically, if you guys steal from other people with 37 Robux, you can literally just take the fruit. So if someone has a good fruit, just go ahead and take it from them. The next thing I'm going to go over is trading, and specifically how to actually trade. First things first, if you guys have Robux, that is the number 1 commodity that you can trade things for. If you go into your shop right now, these exotic seed packs, as you guys can see, you can gift them. And don't just gift them for free, because people are willing to pay not only 500 billion, but also willing to pay these huge coconut fruits, whatever fruit you're trying to get. You can most likely get them with 600 Robux. Oh my gosh, no. I don't want to delete my freaking coconut tree, but you can most likely get all of these with 200 Robux, 400 Robux. If you find someone with a 200 kilogram coconut or whatever, just offer them 1 seed pack. And a lot of the times, they will literally just give it to you. Once again, yes, this is a pay-to-win method. There is also a free-to-play method as well. First things first, I'm just going to go over the best things that you guys can actually trade for these coconuts. As you guys can see, this tree right here, the candy blossom tree, these make a lot of money. And if you happen to grow a huge candy blossom that's also golden, you're set. Like, you're literally set. That thing's probably worth like 500 million at least. And depending on the mutations, it can be worth up to like a billion, 2 billion, 3 billion, and people will 100% be willing to trade a coconut. I'd say for a coconut like this, you could honestly probably get it for a billion, which sounds like a lot. But if you guys just have one candy blossom tree, or if you do what I'm about to tell you, which is straight up to a candy blossom with mutated fruits, and let me just explain how you can do this. So first things first, obviously, if you want to grow yourself a little bit of a garden, what I recommend is at least having a mango tree, a cactus, and a coconut tree. And also, if you have durian trees, that works good as well. But probably not as good as the coconut or the mangoes or just any fruit. Alright, get as much fruit as you guys can have and just stay in the servers, because as time goes on, what's going to happen is these are going to get frozen, these are going to get wet, these are going to get all these different types of mutations. Some of them are going to become gold, and all of these you can trade up and get billions. Trade up and get the candy blossoms. So what I recommend for you guys to do is literally just stay in a server, and that's it. Just stay AFK in a server, let all your fruits grow, and then what you guys want to do is go in the Discord server. I can actually show you guys this right now, but what you guys can do when you are in the Discord server, let me show you, is go in this trading thing and look for people either trading coconut or trading candy blossom. You guys can do this by tapping in the top right and searching. Look at this. This guy says trading fruits for candy blossom. He said trading shock candy blossom for shock grape. So if you guys had a shock grape, you could get a candy blossom right there. As you guys can see, this guy is trading a 6 million candy blossom for a shock cactus. This guy is trading a 500 million gold candy blossom just for a shock grape. So what you guys have to do is honestly just look for the best deals that you guys can possibly find and get them, and then trade up and get a big fruit. The truth is, the best way to get money in this game is not just farming fruits. I'll be so honest, if you guys want to make money, you have to be trading. Make sure you are also safe while trading, because yes, there's a lot of scammers out there. Always record your trades and things like that. But if you guys want to get filthy, freaking rich, you guys have to trade. And there is one final method that honestly probably won't work, but it's literally just beg people. Just beg people for big fruit, and they might give it to you. But anyways, the best method is either growing a plant with a sprinkler, hoping to get big ones, and obviously trading with Robux. That's the best method to easily get some coconuts, and just trading up mutated fruits to get money and trading the money to get coconuts. And yeah, that's basically the guide. I hope this helped you guys out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.